So I'm going to yank on each one of our legs, helps open up the knee a little bit and the hip. Good. Okay. Good. All right, so I'm going to adjust our mid back here. I'm going to cross your arms over your chest. Roll towards me a little bit. Okay, give me a deep breath. All the way out. Good. One more time. All the way out. Good job. Okay. Now I'm going to stretch the neck out and check for tenderness in the muscles up and through here. How's that feel?
Good.
Good.
It's a good stretch.
Good. Good. Okay, I'll get your neck adjusted here. Just relax it. Good. One more time this way. Good job. Okay. Perfect. Let that hip go a little bit. Good. How's that feel?
Really tender.
So the trapezius muscle is one of the muscles I'm hitting here. Gets pretty knotted up. Unfortunately, I need to use a fair amount of pressure on Shayla. She's got a good tolerance for pain. There's big knots right over here. You can't probably see it in the camera very well, but my thumbs are just bouncing right over that muscle that's inflamed and tender. Okay, so I want you to bring your arm right here. I'm going to count to 4, and I want you to straight put your arm out like that, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Ready? Go.
Oh gosh.
There we go. One, go slow. Bring it back. Count to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come back. We're going to do it one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, drop this arm all the way down. I'm going to grab the front of it.
Mm-hmm.
Just breathe. Good.
Okay.
I'm going to adjust your shoulder here. Good. I'll do this one.